Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Assistive Touch not working or stuck on iPhone 14 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general. Now in general, scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone and then click on reset all settings. Now enter your lock screen passcode and then enter the screen time passcode and then again click on reset all settings to confirm. So when you click on reset all settings, it will reset all your iPhone settings, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So after doing this, if it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So if it doesn't fix your problem and you are still facing the problem, then open settings again, scroll down and click on general and then click on software update. Now from here, check if your iPhone is updated to latest iOS version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated to latest iOS version, then update it, and after updating your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now here click on touch and then click on assistive touch. Now from here click on customize top level menu and then reset. Now after that, click on the back key, scroll down and click on ideal opacity and then adjust the ideal opacity to 40%. So after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.